Hey guys, what's going on? It's finally here, Daytona Truck Meet. Got the van ready, stayed up last night till about 3:30. Was back up this morning about 7:15, so running on a little sleep, but I got a lot done. Let me show you what I got done. It'll be a quick video because my camera's about to die. And then I'll do some more videos this weekend at the meet, so. Alright guys, so everybody said you wanted some fog lights. My new fog lights on the truck, and then they're super bright. And I also put LED running lights and turn signals down the front lower bumper last night, so they're pretty sweet. So they're super bright. And that's with the turn signals on. And then they switched to LED with the parking lights on. So, pretty sweet. Had those for a long time, been wanting to wire them in, just never had time. So, got those done last night. Made a new bracket for my intake, but I'm not going to go into that right now just because I'm pressed for time. So got the van cleaned up, all my cleaning stuff, and then I made a sweet flagpole holder. Mounts to my spare tire. So pretty sweet. Got the Blue Life Matters flag on the back. So van overall is looking pretty clean. Wish I had more time to detail it, but it's already like 9:30, so. Alright guys, I'll do some more videos this weekend. Just wanted to do a video real quick. And appreciate everybody watching. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see some trucks from this weekend. I'll get those uploaded as soon as I can. And just trying to get this thing clean. I don't know if any of you guys have detailed a big van, but it is a pain in the butt, especially with 22-year-old paint. So, alright guys, appreciate everybody watching. Hope you like the upgrades. Comment below what you think. Hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel up here. Put some video links over here. And we'll see you guys this weekend on some videos. Appreciate it and have a great day.